Disney Magic sa SM Mall of Asia na experience namin. Paano? Watch this video. Naimbitahan kami ng aming mga friends from Sun Life to make our holiday season more special and to celebrate their 130th anniversary sa kanilang premiere suite para panoorin ang Disney on Ice. As real-life Sun Lifers for 10 years, super happy kami sa opportunity na to. Sobrang excited rin ang buong pamilya kasi big Disney fans kaming lahat. Nakakatuwa kasi very exclusive ang feels papunta pa lang sa premiere suite ng Sun Life. Tapos pagdating doon, complete with couch, bar, Sun Life logo and taglines, tapos may snacks and drinks pa for everyone na na-enjoy namin lahat. At hindi pa pala yun ang highlight. Sobrang ganda ng pwesto namin. Kitang-kita lahat ng performances from our favorite Disney characters. Tuwang-tuwa kami kasi super happy ng kids namin while watching. Ang cute nila Mickey and Friends, mga princesses, Toy Story Gang, Lightning McQueen and Mater, Encanto Family, Moana, Frozen, and many more. First time namin sa Sun Life Premier Suite and super thankful kami sa experience na to. Dahil sa Sun Life, mas naging magical and unforgettable talaga ang aming Disney on Ice experience this year.
Thank you, Sun Life!